This is DOOGEE T10, and in this video I will show how you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the About Tablet category. That's the very last, category of the settings that you'll find. Then at the About Tablet page, you can scroll it down a little and see the RAM section, which shows how many gigabytes you have. By default, that is 8 gigabytes, and if you have enabled the RAM expand feature, it will also show how much gigabytes of additional virtual RAM you've got from it as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.